Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I'm at Royal Enfield Mangalore for the launch of Meteor 350, and it is going to get launched in some time now, and let's go have a look at that.
New Meteor, so I request Dr. Zakaria to unveil the new Meteor, so I request all of you to put your hands together for the new Meteor.
So Royal Enfield has launched their Meteor in 3 different variants. One is called Supernova, the second is called Stellar, and the last is Fireball. Supernova has windshield and couple of cosmetic changes, and then Stellar has similar cosmetic changes, and then Fireball. So let's go have a view on how the motorcycle looks like. So what you see is the Meteor 350, and this variant is called the Stellar variant, and then you have that is Supernova. So the difference between these two are very little in terms of cosmetic changes. So the one which you see is this one. So you have windshield, as against in this one you don't have a windshield. They're all 350cc, powered with 20 horsepower and 27 Newton meters of torque. They come with alloy wheels. All the variants come with alloy wheels. And you see this, that's for a change. You have powder coat for a longer life. And let's have a look at the console. So this time they have a digital plus analog control. So this one is for your Bluetooth connectivity, and when you look on your left hand side, the units which are used to the buttons are completely different. They're so elegant and nice. So you have feather touch button on the top here which changes your odo. So that's for trip A, trip B, and the F type. The fuel tank is 15 liters and 5 liters is your reserve, and when it goes into reserve you get that F indication. And coming down to the suspension, so the suspension has 6 different modes, so you can set as per your requirement. They come with dual channel ABS, and other cosmetic changes are these. So you get embossed Royal Enfield stickers on the side, both for Supernova and Stellar. But then when it comes to Fireball, it comes as a regular sticker. So let's see how the ignition lights up when you turn it on. Look at that, that's fancy. And then you have a RE emblem coming here, and this is also connected to your Bluetooth and shows you the time all the time, which is good. Let's have a 360-degree walk. So the fit and finish of the motorcycle looks extremely good. And then it gets a nice little tail lamp, and then you have the indicators here. So let me just start this unit and show you how this sounds. This sounds very different, not like any other regular ones. So you heard the sound, it looks very nice. and this is priced at 1,90,000 ex showroom price, and Fireball is priced at 1,75,000 ex showroom price. This falls in the middle of that. So like I mentioned, there are three variants, that Supernova, Stellar and the Fireball. And now the third variant of the Meteor, which is Fireball. So if you look at this, you see the sticker that gets a regular standard Royal Enfield sticker, and this is the Fireball variant. So in terms of all the other cosmetics are the same. And I must say, this time the quality of the product is immaculate. So even when you look at the gear levers and you look at those buttons, all of these buttons are extremely well crafted and very good. That's the kill switch on, off. Well, that brings to the end of this video. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next. See you, bye bye.